Beautiful people, welcome back to not the quite hamster's cage of mortgage broking, instead the mortgage kitchen. Today I have some interesting news for you. This week there's been a lot of confusion over what's been happening with mortgage interest rates. Frankly, I have no answer for you. The truth is that until the new general election is concluded next month, there's going to be very little chance of the Bank of England making any meaningful changes to the base rate. And unless there's meaningful changes to the base rate, then the appetite in the UK property market and the finance market that props that up is not going to be moving very much at all. Which is a great shame for me, and sadly a great shame for anyone that's looking to make a purchase in the next couple of months, for two reasons. One, do you really know that you're going to get the best deal? Well, honestly, I couldn't tell you right now. The hope is that interest rates will drop in the coming months, and when they do, the likelihood is that mortgage interest rates will also come down in line with that. So I would say that at some point in the next 2-3 months, if there is a change to the Bank of England base rate, we should see mortgage rates come down in line with that. However, when will those rates change? I do not know. I only wish I had a crystal ball to be able to tell you. But all I can say is this: if you are considering making a purchase, I advise you to get professional advice first before deciding on viewing property and starting to get an appetite for the kind of things that you want to buy. Get a budget in place and make sure that you're comfortable with making those payments. Even in the worst case scenario, be comfortable with it, because worst case scenarios can happen. So let's plan with that in mind. However, let's be optimistic too. Interest rates could come down, and if they do come down, I think there could be a really great opportunity here in the market to be able to not only get on the market, secure a reasonable rate that's realistic for the long term, but also help people move. There is a real desire, I feel, for people to make changes to their lifestyles, to move, whether it's first-time buyers or home movers looking to get into different school catchment areas, or retirees looking to make that downsize ready for their long-term retirement. I can only pray that it happens sooner rather than later. But as always, it gives me no greater pleasure than to be able to help my clients. So if there's anything that I could possibly do to help you regarding your mortgage planning and protection, of course, then please let me know. In the meantime, God bless you and stay classy.